Modular buildings are the future of construction, and that future is now. Every phase of modular construction is precisely designed so your building is sustainably fabricated with excellence in craftsmanship and efficiency, giving you a cost-effective building space you'll be proud of. BOXX Modular's buildings are all constructed indoors and off-site in manufacturing facilities. Modular fabrication processes accelerate your construction schedule while eliminating unpredictable variables and guaranteeing a high level of quality control. Using assembly line methods, each building is constructed in sections called modules, beginning with frame construction and ending with interior and exterior finishes. Steel components for an outrigger or perimeter frame are welded to create solid structural support for each module. Experienced carpenters assemble and fasten floor joists to the frame, then attach floor decking to the joists. When the floor assembly is complete and insulated, the entire module moves to the next stage of construction. Exterior and interior walls are prefabricated with absolute precision to ensure they will match up exactly with the other modules in the completed building. For safety and efficiency, the walls are first prefabricated horizontally before being hoisted to their final vertical position, where they're secured to the flooring. Interior finishes, windows, insulation, wiring, plumbing, and any other custom components you've requested are added before the module moves down the line, where the roof structure has been prepared for installation. During this process, ductwork, additional wiring, the HVAC unit, and other final components are added to the module. Weatherproof exterior finishes, doors, and trim are also completed. Once the modules are cleaned and all quality inspections are complete, they're moved to outdoor staging in preparation for delivery to your site. BOXX Modular is dedicated to helping people like you discover how to get quality, cost-effective, temporary, or permanent space built quickly. To maximize performance and efficiency, we leverage a team of industry experts with unmatched expertise and a commitment to combining engineering, project management excellence, workmanship quality, and attractive aesthetics to bring you unparalleled results. Modular is creating new possibilities for construction speed and design, and we're committed to help you achieve them in your next building project. To learn more about how BOXX Modular can expand, elevate, and empower your operations, contact us today. We are here to help.